Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. Today's video is all about ginger honey immune boosting recipe which will help you to fight cold and flu. So I'm going to be washing the ginger right away. After a thorough washing, I'm going to be grating the ginger. We are going to be needing a jar that has cover. That is all you need for this recipe. This is it. I'm going to be putting it into this bottle. I'll be setting it aside. I just want to get rid of the seed. I'm going to be adding it to the ginger immediately. In order to remind you, this is just lemon water added into grated ginger. I'm now going to be making use of the honey. So I've made sure that the honey covers the ginger, so it's enough for the ginger. Make sure that you have enough honey for the ginger. This is just it. I'm going to be covering it and the ginger is going to be infused into the honey in a week time. So after covering it, you have to make sure that it is tight. And then another thing you also need to do every day is you have to put it in the place where you can easily see it. And every day you have to open it to remove the gas, and then you close it back. Just every day you do that for 1 week. I already have what I want to cover it with. It is supposed to be in a very dark corner. So I'm just going to be covering it with this. And also put the second one to make it more dark, and I'm going to be setting it aside. So I'm going to be leaving it in a place where I can easily see it in the morning or in the afternoon or any time of the day in order for me to open it to release the gas. So it is exactly 7 days that we are supposed to leave it. So I'm going to be opening it for you to see the outcome and for one to start making use of it. This is how it is. Remember, it is honey and ginger, and when I did it, the honey was thick and now it is light. which means that the ginger has infused in the honey. So you're expected to take 1 spoon of this every morning and every evening before you go to bed. After about 2 weeks, it is okay, you have taken enough. Till you have a symptom, whenever you have a symptom of catarrh, or your chest is paining you, or you cannot breathe well, or you're having cough, please try and make this again and take it for another 2 weeks. Before the end of the 2 weeks, you will see a tremendous result. Remember, I also added honey into it. It contains honey, ginger and lemon. So just give it a trial. 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon every morning and evening. It does not have age limit. The kids can also make use of it. Why I'm showing you this is because I have made use of it. In fact, I always make use of it for me and my kids. So that's why I decided to bring it out for others to also learn. If you find yourself in a cold environment, this is very useful. All I have to do is to cover it airtight and leave it in the fridge. Whenever I want to make use of it, I just bring it out and take the quantity I want and put it back in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.